All right, what's good YouTube man? It's your boy Bifex here and I'm back with another video, bro. And in today's video, I would be more than happy to assist anyone and help anyone to learn day trading and to start their day trading journey so you can start make some money and change your life and actually get the opportunity to live the desired lifestyle that you want to live. Bro, all of us need to be trying to get rich. I don't care where you're from, I don't care who you are. All of us have the opportunity to change your life. All of us have the opportunity to make more money. It's literally right at your fingertip, guys. This is 2025. The internet is here. There's so many opportunities to make money. Don't let anyone tell you that there's no opportunities out there to make money. No, in today's video, we are going to explain. I want to explain this demand trade that I took today. Uh, with nas100. Yes, guys. Yeah. So this demand zone. Sorry, I lost my train of thought a while ago, guys. My apologies. But this demand zone here, yes, I'm going to explain why I took this trade. I mean, if you've been watching my videos for a good time now, you'd understand a little bit about my strategy because I've made a few videos so far. So in those videos that I've made, I'm literally explaining or going over the trades that I'm taking. So if you actually want to learn, this channel here will provide you with all that information. Just watch the past videos. But yes, so this was a demand trade. All right. We have aggressive buying coming out of this zone right here. Aggressive buying was able to break this small structure here. I know you guys might not be able to see it so properly, but let me go on the line chart. You see this right here? This I guess you'd call it like a upside down triangle. This is a high, and price passed that high. That means a high was taken out. That means there's a lot of buyers is in the market. Whenever highs are being taken out, guys, whenever highs are being broken, whenever price is going over a high, that means buyers are in the market, and most likely in that case, uh, the market trend is going to start going up. So these are the things you need to understand. So that is just something I want to clear up there, right? So aggressive buying came out of our demand zone, was able to break structure, and plus my demand zone had a gap, which would give us a clear sign that eventually price would want to come back to our demand zone because after price would have shot out of our demand zone, price left a gap. Whenever price leave a gap, that gaps need to be filled. And that's exactly what price did right here. There was a gap right here, you see this red candle here between there and right here where I have my marker right now. That's where the gap would have been. Price always come back and fill in gaps. So whenever you're taking your trades, whenever you're taking your supply and demand trades, look for gaps because that would have been an indication that yes, price wants to come back, right? But I always take my demand through the gaps. I mean, it just makes more sense as to why price would want to come back to that particular time in price and then continue to go in its upwards direction or downwards direction. I mean, because that's how the market moves. It moves in a wave-like structure. It goes up, it comes back to retraces itself, and then it does that same thing over and over again until the market trend would have probably change. So yeah, so pretty much that's just really it. Price came back to my zone. Waited for price to start rejecting my zone and waited for a breaker candle entry. Got in right here, stop loss right above this wick here. Caught a quick 1 to 2. So that was a good trade in my opinion. This was a beautiful trade. And plus, if you look properly, you would have realized that this was another reason as to why I knew this trade. It's all about, you see, sometimes you're going to come in the market and there's going to be so many indications that your trade may win. Every single day is different. You got to understand that some days there's going to be some really good setups that has that high chance to win, and some days you may not see any setup at all. And in those situations, what should you do? Don't take any trades. A lot of times I come to the market and I don't see any trades and I just don't take any trades. I don't force anything. That's the thing when it comes down to trading, guys. You have to treat it like a business because it is a business. You're investing your hard-earned money into the markets. If you want to do this consistently over years to make a living, you have to have some kind of rules and regulation that you use to govern your trading style to produce consistency, because consistency is the key. And if you want consistency, you have to practice the same thing over and over again so you can keep your results as expected, right? Because that's all trading is. You trade, you learn, you tweak your strategy to mitigate certain behaviors in the market, right? And over time, you see how the market moves and you just tweak your strategy a little bit more. So whenever that may happen, then you're it's like the trade you're in, it's a learning process. It's literally a learning process. That's the best way I can explain this to you guys. So I want you guys to have some faith in yourself. If you're a little bit, if you don't understand what's going on, that's fine. Eventually you will learn. Eventually, if you keep showing up, if you keep trying to learn, you keep persevering, you don't quit, you are going to learn how to day trade and it's going to click to you, bro. I promise you, bro. The moment when day trading click to you, bro, you're just going to be like, oh my God, like this was it all along, bro. This is all I need to do. That's literally the moment I had. Like, yes, I was trying, yes, I was practicing all the time, and I wasn't getting any results, but I didn't allow that to discourage me, bro. You can't allow yourself to be easily discouraged. You're going to lose in life. You have to be willing to be persevering. You have to be willing to be that person who's never going to quit no matter what. And that's just the vibe I want to give you guys coming into day trading, because it's not going to be easy. It's going to take you time. And the next thing I want to, like, tell persons, like, I'm more than willing to help anyone to learn. If you reach out to me on Instagram or wherever and you want to learn, I'm more than happy to teach anyone. What I'm not promising anyone is any get rich quick scheme. I am not promising anyone that, okay, if you come and learn day trading or if you follow what I do, you're going to start making money the next week or 2 weeks or a month. That's not I'm not promising anyone that. That's not how I reached the point I am today. That's not how I did it. That's not how anyone did it who I knew who got profitable in day trading. They all learned this shit over time. It's the same thing like going to school, bro. Like, if you're going to school, or if you're doing any business or something that you're expecting to make money from over time, you expect it to take some time for you to get good at it, right? If you're going to school, you're trying to get a degree. How long are you expecting to go to school for to get that degree? Like 3, 4 years, right? So why is it that if you come into day trading, you can't have that same or somewhat of a similar expectations? I'm not saying it's going to take you 4 years, but why can't you be patient? Why do you want it to happen right now? If you guys keep having that mindset where you want everything to happen now, 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 I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna stay broke for the rest of your life, dog. You have to be willing to be patient. That is the name of the game. It is not a sprint, it's a marathon, bro. Lock in. I'm telling you guys, like, I'm gonna be dropping so many bangers on my channel, bro. I swear to God, anyone who follows me, bro, your life is going to change. I promise you, bro. Practice shit over time. Practice this day trading shit over time. Be consistent, and I promise you, bro, you are going to change your life. Just don't ever fucking quit, bro. Keep an open mind. Keep tweaking your strategy. Keep learning. Better your psychology with is concerned to trading, because that's the next huge thing when it comes down to trading. It's really your psychology, bro. Really and truly, it's not really even a strategy. Yes, your strategy give you an edge, but if you want to stay consistently profitable, bro, this here, bro, your mindset, bro, the way how you approach trading and the chart, the way how you behave, are you over trading, all these things, bro? That's what really determines if you're going to be profitable. So if you're not disciplined, bro, this is going to be a tough journey for you. So you have to become disciplined. That's the number one thing in day trading. But that's it for the video, guys. I mean, hope you guys understood something. Demand trade caught on 1 to 2. Really and truly, let me go on the daily time frame real quick. I mean, the daily time frame wasn't necessarily on an uptrend, but I do. All right. So because the market, if you know how the market moves, especially if it wants to continue its trend, it makes higher. If it's in a downtrend, it's going to be making lower highs and lower lows, right? Now at this point right here, if you look closely, you'll realize that price failed to break these low here. So if price fails to break a low, that means there's a chance that it's going to change direction. And I was able to predict that because it didn't break this low right here. And then again, price has been dropping for so long, it has to reverse at some point. But then again, I'm a scalper. I can scalp on a 5 minutes time frame and catch a quick one or one or two because a scalper, bro, the market is moving extremely fast. But yeah, that's it for the. I guess that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, leave a like. If you want to watch more of my videos, subscribe, and that's it.